Yo, my YouTube family, back here with another video. We're going to react to this farm video. I don't know if this is a chicken or what, or it's an ostrich or what, but let's just watch it.
Don't.
Hey,
Don't.
this lady's
You
brave.
don't have to be like that. It's enough. Stop. You are so dramatic. I was just cleaning your pen out. Don't do it. Don't. Don't be a bad girl. I'm trying to leave.
Oh,
That's enough. That's enough.
what's wrong with this bird?
Settle down.
Don't be a Karen.
Get your knickers out of a twist.
What?
Stop. Don't.
Oh my god, this lady is actually brave though. If that bird, is it bird or ostrich, if that was coming to me, I would have run. I would have run. But I guess she runs the farm and she owns the farm. And she's into animals. But what's wrong with this ostrich? Like, why was it coming towards her? Like, he was so upset. If she turned her back, he would have attacked her or something. She said stop being a Karen. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down what you think. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.